Hello, this is a video overview for week 9. Now for week 9, you only have one task to complete, which is the Grammar Quiz 4, and that is going to be a grammar lesson overviewing subject-verb agreement as well as pronoun antecedent agreement. Now before you take the quiz, please print out our online weekly checklist, okay, beneath week 9, and when you click on that, you're going to see this checklist. Now I really beg y'all to go in order in the way that I have this listed so everything kind of connects to each other. You'll notice I do ask you to print out some handouts. Those handouts will be very valuable in you answering some questions that are in the audio lesson and PowerPoint lesson. And also, you need to have those handouts with you when you're taking the quiz. Now, before you take the quiz, watch the audio lesson. Also, watch all of the videos that I've given you. There's some great videos out there on the web, online, that can help you understanding these two concepts. And then self-test yourself. You have two Grammar Bites quizzes. One is on subject-verb agreement. The other is on pronoun antecedent agreement. Self-test yourself and then go into the actual Grammar Quiz 4. Now, Grammar Quiz 4 is not due until Sunday, October 27th. But again, do not take the quiz first. Please go in the order of all the tasks that I give you before you actually take the quiz. And as always, if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer those. Thank you. Y'all have a great week.